In English, we can use the present simple tense to talk about future events. This happens mainly when the event is part of a fixed timetable or schedule, such as trains, classes, or meetings. In this lesson, we will learn how to use the present simple correctly in those future situations. The present simple tense describes fixed or planned future events when these events are not decided by us personally, but are part of a schedule. For example, we can say, "The train leaves at 6 p.m." This expresses a future event that is already planned and cannot be changed easily. We use the present simple tense to talk about public transport schedules, class timetables, event programs, and opening or closing times. For instance, we can say, "The museum opens at 10 a.m." or "Our class starts at 9 o'clock." These are fixed events that will happen according to a set plan. The basic sentence structure for using the present simple in the future is subject plus the present form of the verb plus a time expression. For example, the bus departs at 8:30 a.m. or the flight arrives at noon. Using the present form of the verb helps make the timetable sound definite and organized. To make the negative form, we use do not or doesn't for the third person singular, followed by the base form of the verb. For example, we can say, "The museum doesn't open on Monday," or "The train doesn't stop here." This structure helps show what does not happen according to the schedule. When we want to ask a question about a schedule, we start the sentence with do or does, then add the subject and the base form of the verb. For example, "Does the train leave at 7 o'clock?" or "Do classes start tomorrow?" These questions are used when we want to confirm or check a fixed plan or timetable. Here are some examples of how the present simple is used to talk about the future. The train leaves at 6 p.m. English class starts at 9 a.m. The movie begins at 7:30 tonight. The restaurant opens at noon. All these events are part of a scheduled plan, so we use the simple present to describe them. The present simple tense can be used to talk about the future when discussing timetables and routines. The pattern is subject plus verb plus time expression. We use do or does to form questions and don't or doesn't to make negatives. This form is especially common when we talk about travel schedules, class times, and planned events. Great job understanding how to use the present simple tense to describe future timetables.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.